Welcome to On Kids channel. Galah Parrots. Lighty and Koa HCL Yolophus Lowy Capilla. L mouth low I VV meeting VPH BC. Known for its delicate pink and gray plumage, Galah attracts attention and love from both residents and visitors. Galah's signature coat combines light pink on the top and gray on the bottom, creating a unique and attractive appearance. They are common throughout Australia, often appearing in rural areas, woodlands, and even in major cities. This species of parrot is often hyperactive, likes to play and interact with each other. They also have the ability to learn quickly and can learn a lot from their surroundings. Galah mainly eat seeds, grass seeds, fruits, and other plant foods. They often gather in areas with abundant food sources. Galah's cry is quite distinctive, resembling a chirping sound. They are also capable of simulating human voices and ambient sounds. Due to its active and interactive personality, Galah is often a popular choice for parrot owners and keepers. Galahs often appear in Australian art and culture, even becoming the nation's signature animal symbol. The Galah parrot is not only an important part of the Australian ecosystem, but is also a unique and adorable animal culture icon. Galahs are social parrots, often living and moving in groups. They express affection and communicate through playing, searching for food together, and doing other social activities. Galah's laying season usually takes place in spring, when they build nests in tree cavities or rock caves. The process of incubating eggs and caring for the young is an opportunity for groups of parrots to show affection and cooperation. Although the Galah is a common parrot, factors such as habitat loss, hunting, and environmental loss are posing challenges to its survival. Animal conservation organizations are working to protect these parrots and their habitat. Galah often appears in Australian art, comics, and culture, representing the nation's vibrancy, sophistication, and cheerful personality. Due to its friendly personality and ability to learn quickly, Galah often becomes a family pet and is able to interact positively with humans. With their unique appearance and noble personality, the Galah parrot is not only an important part of the Australian ecosystem but also an interesting and unique symbol in Australian culture and daily life. Thank you. See you in the next part.